Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. Today I want to feature my bloom of the week. And remember guys, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you see just how I grow my orchids in Jamaica. Today, I am going to introduce you to another bloom that I have selected to be the bloom of the week. And remember guys, at the end of the month, you will be asked to vote for your bloom of the month. And this is the third week. And guess what guys? This is my bloom of the week. Look at this guys. Isn't that a spectacular one? And guess what it is called? It is actually called a Dendrobium Hawaii spectacular, and spectacular it is indeed. Yes guys, it is such a beautiful one. This one I bought actually quite recently, and I actually placed it in this wooden basket in a bark-like medium with charcoal and so on. And I just bought this perhaps about 4 months ago, and guys, just look at what is happening. It likes where I have it. I keep it under my 50% shade mesh with my other hanging plants. It's actually hanging, and surprise, surprise, it actually spiked for me in such a short time. I had no idea that this will happen so quickly, because when I bought it as a bare root plant. I am really happy with this purchase guys, because look at it, it has on actually 2 spikes. Yes guys, 2 spikes, and it is such a beautiful one. I am so glad that I have it to be a part of my collection, and I hope you like it too. There it is, my Dendrobium Hawaii spectacular. Let me give you a close-up of what the blooms look like, because guys, it is just so awesome. Look at the formation, and just let me show you what the actual plant looks like. It actually has tall, these don't look like pseudobulbs to me, but tall cane looking stems, and it has the leaves at the end of the stems, and it doesn't have a lot of leaves. It has perhaps about 4, maybe up to 6 leaves, and then it sends out an inflorescence that is about, just about a foot long. And then on that inflorescence, it sends out buds on each side. Let me just spin it around guys, so you see how beautiful it is from each side. Isn't it a beautiful one guys? Yes it is. And then when you look into the blooms, there are 2 tones. Just right, look at that. The lip is of a darker color than the petal and the sepal. And that is what makes it spectacular, guys. And so if you enjoyed the bloom of this Dendrobium Hawaii spectacular, please show me some love and give me a thumbs up. And so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back on me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica.